how to create a Capital One account. So if you want to create a Capital One account, then first of all you need to open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. So I'll be here with Chrome browser, and now you can simply go for the search bar and search for Capital One, and after that here you will have this www.capitalone.com. You can simply click on that, and then it will directly take you to the Capital One web page or the website. And if you want to sign into your account, then you can simply go for sign in, click on that sign in, and you have to enter your username and password. But if you want to create an account, then you can go for set up online access, and here if you want to set up your online access, then first you have to enter your last name, and then you have to enter your social security number or your ITIN number, and on the last blank you have to enter your date of birth, or instead of this social security number you can also use your bank account number instead of that. And after that you can simply click on get started, and you will be taken to the online setup access. And after that you have to enter your username, like create your username, and then you can create your password to your online setup, and then you will have the account of Capital One. So that's how you can create one account on Capital One. So let me tell you one thing, that if you want to create your account, then you need to have a bank account in that Capital One bank. But if you don't have your bank account, then simply go and create a bank account in that bank, and then you can go and access your online setup. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.